Here I've got Xiaomi Poco F2 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to go to the more advanced settings to change it, and we can do it by tapping on this button at the right corner. And as you can see here we have different settings to manage, and one of this at the second position is the camera frame. So by tapping on this we can change the ratio of our picture. For now this is the 9:16 ratio. We can change it to full screen resolution also, and also we can pick 1:1 camera frame like that. And now we go back to the 3:4, which was at the first time. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.